Over 50 wild animals in English. They are diverse and fascinating to learn about. Lion. Known as the king of the jungle, lions are powerful predators with majestic manes and social prides. Tiger. These large cats have striking orange coats with black stripes and are stealthy hunters in the forests of Asia. Elephants. The largest land animals, elephants are intelligent, social, and recognized for their long trunks and tusks. Giraffes. Their long necks help them reach high leaves in the trees, and they are the tallest land animals in the world. Zebras. Easily identifiable by their black and white stripes, zebras live in grasslands and are social herd animals. Bear. Found in forests, mountains, and polar regions, bears are powerful creatures with thick fur and diverse diets. Wolf. Living in packs, wolves are highly social predators that hunt together and communicate through howling. Fox. Clever and adaptable, foxes thrive in various environments, often known for their cunning behavior. Deer. Graceful herbivores that roam forests and meadows. Deer are known for their speed and agility when escaping predators. Monkey. Playful primates found in many parts of the world. They are intelligent and often live socially in groups. Gorillas. Large, strong primates living in African forests. They are gentle but powerful and highly social animals. Chimpanzees. Our closest relatives in the animal kingdom, sharing about 98% of human DNA, known for their intelligence. Pandas. Adored worldwide, pandas primarily eat bamboo and spend most of their time resting in trees. Kangaroos. Native to Australia, these hopping marsupials carry their young in pouches and are excellent swimmers. Koalas. Spend most of their lives in eucalyptus trees. They are slow-moving and mostly eat leaves. Leopards. Solitary cats with beautiful spotted coats that can adapt to forest, savanna, and mountain habitats. Cheetahs. Renowned for their incredible speed, cheetahs can accelerate rapidly to catch prey in open grasslands. Camels. Known as the ships of the desert, camels survive harsh desert environments without water for long periods. Hippopotamuses. Large semi-aquatic mammals that spend most of their time in water to keep cool in hot climates. Rhinoceroses. Massive animals with thick, armor-like skin and one or two prominent horns on their noses. Crocodiles. Lurking in rivers, they are ambush predators with powerful jaws that can grasp and crush prey. Alligators. Similar to crocodiles, but mainly found in southeastern USA, they prefer freshwater environments. Snake. Reptiles with long, slender bodies, some venomous, others harmless, with a wide variety of patterns and sizes. Lizard. Small to medium reptiles that often bask in the sun and can shed their tails to escape predators. Turtles. Reptiles with hard shells that provide protection. They can live in water and on land. Tortoises. Land-dwelling relatives of turtles, known for their slow movements and domed shells. Frogs. Amphibians that hop and croak, often found near water sources like ponds and lakes. Toads, a type of frog with drier, bumpier skin, typically living in drier environments than frogs. Bat, the only mammals capable of sustained flight, playing a vital role in controlling insect populations. Squirrels, small rodents known for their agility, often seen climbing trees and gathering nuts. Mouse, tiny rodents that are highly adaptable, often living close to human settlements. Rat, similar to mice but larger, known for their intelligence and ability to thrive in urban environments. Beavers, known for building dams from wood and mud, creating habitats in rivers and streams. Otters, playful aquatic mammals that spend most of their time swimming, eating fish, and socializing. Hedgehogs, small mammals with spiny coats that roll into balls as a defense mechanism against predators. Raccoons, clever animals with masked faces, known for rummaging through trash and solving problems. Skunks, recognizable by their black and white coloring and notorious for spraying a foul odor when threatened. Moose, largest members of the deer family, known for their massive size and impressive antlers. Bison, large, shaggy herbivores that once roamed North American plains in huge herds. Buffalo, also called bison, these animals are symbols of the American West and ancient plains. Jaguar, powerful cats with a distinctive rosette coat, native to the forests of Central and South America. Hyena, known for their laughing sounds, they are scavengers and skilled hunters in African savannas. Wild boar, tough, adaptable pigs found in forests. They can be aggressive and omnivorous. Antelope, known for speed and agility, antelopes graze grasslands and evade predators with rapid running. Gazelle, Similar to antelope, gazelles are swift and graceful herbivores of open plains. Armadillo. Small mammals with armored shells that can roll into balls for protection against predators. Sloth. Extremely slow-moving animals native to Central and South American forests, often hanging in trees. Lemur. Primates native to Madagascar, with big eyes, long tails, and loud calls to communicate. Meerkat. Small social mammals living in groups called mobs, famous for their upright sentry stance. Warthog. Wild pigs with distinctive facial tusks and a fearless attitude, often found in African savannas. Did you know there are over 50 wild animals